guys, welcome back. I have been always interested in bikes. I was born in Bangladesh. We moved to the United States when I was 13 years old. I was 12 or 11 when I started riding motorcycle. My uncle had motorcycle. In Bangladesh, the motorcycles are like 100 and 125 cc, and nowadays I think you can go up to 175 or 150 cc, I believe. I'm not sure, but anyways, so the 100 cc bike, and I was really interested in bikes. And when they used to leave their key home and went out somewhere, and I would steal them. I had an idea how to ride motorcycle, but I would just take the key and I would steal the bike and then go out and start riding. At the end of the day, when I came back, it wasn't easy. I would be I would be punished, but hey, I didn't care. I went out and I rode the bike and I came back and I was okay. And that's how I learned riding motorcycle in early age. So when I moved here, and I was really interested in bikes. I saw bikes here is like so fascinating, and it's big and powerful and fast, and I'm like, I gotta have bike. I just have to work hard and being able to get a motorcycle soon as I graduate high school or graduate college. But I worked hard. Back in 2010, the day came and I decided to, like, okay, I'm ready, let's get something smaller to start off with. So I started looking around and I found Kawasaki is the one was making 250cc bike. So I decided let's just go with the Kawasaki Ninja 250R. So I started talking to the guy and convinced him, that's my first bike, so give me a good deal. And I didn't have that much cash on me, so I was working part-time in school and things like that. So I saved up some money is enough to get a bike. So I can't remember, I don't remember exactly how much was it, but it was somewhere around 2700 or 2800 for the bike, something like that. I don't remember. Yeah, so I got the bike and that was my first bike. And since I knew how to ride motorcycles, I didn't need to learn it again. But I didn't have license back then. I didn't complete my safety certification. All I did is went to DMV and get a permit to ride motorcycle, learner permit for motorcycle. So the permit is good for 6 months, and every 6 months you have to take a test and get the permit again. So I did that for almost a year, almost 2 years. Every summer I went to DMV and get a permit to ride motorcycle. And one day I just decided, what the heck, just go for the certification course, and with that you get discounts on insurance and things like that. So plus the things that I didn't know, the certification course actually opened my eyes for me. That was the best thing I have done, and I wish I have done it sooner. But I was lucky enough that I didn't have any major accident or anything without having the safety course. So I did okay. But after completing the course, it opened my eyes, and I knew how good it was to get the certification course. And the things that you learn from that course is like nobody would ever tell somebody very experienced. So that was a good thing that I did that, and I just wanted more power, so I decided to let's sell it. And when summertime came and I decided to sell, and I actually made almost $800 more than what I paid for. So I was surprised. 2 years later I made $800 more than what I paid for the bike. So that was like, wow. So I'm like, oh, what, now I have extra almost $3,700 or $3,600 plus add another $1,000 or $2,000 and and get a 600cc. So I did that. I found a nice beautiful 2012 Honda CBR 600RR 2012 and only had 2800 miles on it. So I got that for 6,000, something like that. But you know, I don't remember exact number, but somewhere around there. So that was good. And since then, every 3-4 years, 5 years, I was like switching bike, and then those hyper naked bikes started to come out, and I wanted something fast and comfortable. And fast and comfortable, the bikes are like the hyper naked, so you still have the super sports feel of engines and the power, but you are a lot more comfortable for long ride and stuff. And I work 30 miles 25 miles from home, and I like to ride to work, and it's perfect for commuting. Sometimes you get stuck in traffic, and with super sports it get like pretty tiring for like if you are riding in traffic for a long time. It could be, you know, you could feel your back and the wrist and stuff. So that's the whole point of getting a hyper naked, that gives you the comfort and the power and the speed. So you get pretty much everything all in one. So that's the whole reason I got into super hyper naked bike. See, I only have a Leo Vinci slip on, and it's not bad though. I mean, it's getting louder day by day. I feel like it. I don't know, maybe. Oh, the turns, man. This bike leans so beautiful. It's great. I love that. Good thing about the inline four. So when you're revving it up on like 6,000 or more, it's like you don't even have to downshift. It's like I'm on 5th gear, but you just have to twist the throttle and you will be flying. So the torque comes in on so low, and on these bikes, that's the best part of it. When I had my CBR, I mean, you have to go like 10,000 RPM or more in order to get something cool. But here, like see, on the 5th gear, I don't have to, like, I just have to do this, that's it. they're keep getting super sports like R1 and BMW S1000 RR and in Texas area, and the roads are like just straight as a line. So I don't know what kind of fun they are having unless they're tracking the bike, but hey, if people like super sports, and I mean I love super sports, but I don't find useful in a road like that. So going what 150, 60, 70 miles an hour on the highway, that's something that I don't think it's fun on a straight line. But you know, some people are doing it and they're successful, so, and I enjoy their content too, but I just don't get why people are doing that. What's the guy named Yaminu? Yes, his channel, check out his channel, guys. I mean, if you guys, he's pretty interesting guy, he's funny and he makes some good videos and a lot of useful content, so I watch his video all the time. There are a few guys like moto vlogging guy that I really enjoy their content. The Chase on Two Wheels guys, his contents are great. I actually got into I get into more riding by watching those videos. This motivates you. When you see people riding and talking about bike and how much they enjoy, it makes you want to go out and ride every day. And that's what I do. So I watch their video all the time and I just get excited and go out and ride. So if you guys are into motorcycles or you are thinking about start riding, the best would be start watching those moto vlog videos and things like that, and some useful tips will help you get into motorcycle and also motivates you. I know here in the States, motorcycle is not your primary source of transportation, so you do have cars. Everyone pretty much have one or two cars, so you don't really need a motorcycle to commute or anything, but it's just for going out there, enjoying the beautiful days and getting fresh airs and things like that. It's great to have it's great to have a motorcycle. So I enjoy every moto vlogger's video and watch them every day just to motivate me to go out there and ride. And this year so far I have been riding more than any other year. So every year I averaged about 1,000 miles on the bike. this year I just purchased this bike 2 months ago, and I almost have, let me see, I think I have, yeah, almost 1121 today right now, 1121 miles on the bike so far in 2 months. That's a lot for me, and which I average about 800 to 900 to 1,000 miles per year. But I'm just keep this year, I promise, I mean, I'm gonna ride pretty much every day as much as I can, as long as the weather's is nice. And it is nice. Summer is almost here, so it's gonna get a little hot in next few weeks or so, but until then, enjoy this nice cool weather. But yeah guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. I know it's probably going to be a long video to watch, and if you guys made it this far, I'm glad you did. I hope I put some useful, you know, content. Okay. One other thing I forgot to mention, guys, the brakes. The MT-09 didn't have the best brakes. I mean, you would have been able to stop, but you don't get a bike like this bike. I mean, I'm surprised like how good the brakes on these bikes are. I know these are not Brembos like maybe some European cars, but these brakes are good. Like it's like I just two finger. I mean, I can be like, yeah, stopping no time. So yeah guys, so I'm almost home. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking and subscribing my videos, and I will see you guys soon. And if you guys are thinking about riding, and if you guys are the owners of any more kind of motorcycle and you're watching this video, just go out there, ride guys, and enjoy, have fun, live your life. So what are you gonna do? I mean, we are living in this world right now, like whatever is going on with this world is not a good things happening, so just enjoy as much as you can. So all right guys, peace out. I will see you in the next one.